too wavy, man. But we gonna ride this wave. You know what I'm saying? So I got some drip from HelloIce. You know what I'm saying? Some earrings. I kind of opened it already, but like I didn't open it like all the way because you know I wanted to make a video. And yeah, you know what I'm saying? We gonna get right into it. Let's see what this thing is all about. Alright, so you got the box right here. It says HelloIce. Some people said like, you know, their boxes came damaged from this company. I mean, it's from China, but I mean, mine came perfectly fine. You got the bag right here, HelloIce. Okay, and we got the earrings right here. Okay. Okay. It's not bad. Okay. So I took out one of the earrings right here. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but you know, these diamonds be gleaming. And then keeping the other one in the bag because I just want to show y'all. But yeah, let's go ahead and put this in my ear. You know what I'm saying? We gonna see what this is all about. Had to move to the bathroom, you know what I'm saying? Kind of show y'all a better look and everything. But this is it right here. Y'all see them diamonds gleaming though. But yeah, let's go ahead and put it in. Damn. Sorry y'all, it's taking me a minute to do this. Well, my ear bleeding with shit. Hold on. All right, try this again. I'm gonna try this one more time. Okay. Here we go. Shit. See if it clicks. Okay. Hey, it's lit. Wait, hold on. See if I got it all the way in there. Oh, wait, no, I didn't get it in there. I was tripping. I'm gonna get, all right. Gotta put this thing in correctly. Okay. Damn. think I got it in there. Wait, is it in? Dang, it fell again. Crap. Okay. Let's try it again. All right. We good? No, still not good. Dang. This is hard. This is really hard, guys. I've been trying to put this in for like 5 minutes now. See if we get it. Let's see. Is it? Oh, crap. It fell. Oh, man, oh, man, oh, man. This is like the most aggravating thing ever. Is it in this security? And I heard that little snap. Oh my gosh. Maybe I'm just not supposed to turn around.
2 hours later.
Alright. I got in there best as I could. But yeah, basically steering. You know what I'm saying? That little drip drop or whatever. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It's definitely a look though. It's going out again. Oh well. But yeah, it's definitely a look, you know what I'm saying? I got it off HelloIce for like, it was originally like $80, but I got mine for like 60. They had like a discount sale or whatever. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is it. It's dripped out, iced out or whatever. And yeah, you know, just try it out, see if you like it. You can always return it. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna get some more drip this summer though. Might get a Cuban link chain or whatever. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. 2 Wavy signing out. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.